We have some fantastic news for all of you Tesla enthusiasts. The renowned megamind Elon Musk recently met with South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol, which suggests that Tesla is preparing plans to work with Korea. According to rumors, their meeting is also a secret indication that the EV giant is planning to build a massive gigafactory in the land of the morning call. If you're interested in learning more, join us as we dissect the rumors using crazy pieces of evidence. Although Tesla originally used the term Gigafactory to refer to its battery manufacturing facilities, it now refers to all of their locations, regardless of the battery building facilities, with the first one being built in Nevada in 2016. Now that Tesla has 5 gigafactories in total, 3 in the US, 1 in China, and 1 in Germany, the question of where the 6th will be has been debated for a while, but it appears that Elon Musk has finally answered it. When South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol met with Tesla CEO Elon Musk in Washington, D.C., we had many suspicions, but the two of them finally stated that Tesla will build a gigafactory in Korea. If you don't believe us yet, here's what Yona, a Korean newspaper agency, reports that the meeting was summarized and mostly focused on the President's statement that South Korea has advanced labor and world-class manufactured robots, making it the perfect place to operate a gigafactory. But that's not all. Yoon Suk was quoted as saying that should Tesla choose to invest, we will actively support it in terms of workforce and taxes. Fans were ecstatic when a user shared the same information on Twitter. According to the news agency, Musk also mentioned that he would travel to South Korea, which is still a top contender to host a gigafactory. Last November, Yoon and Musk had a virtual meeting to talk about the possibility of building a new gigafactory in Korea, which was already on Tesla's short list of possible locations. We don't have a record of the discussion, but it sounds like he was clearer here, offering Tesla in particular direct support instead of broad government regulation action. According to reports, Musk responded that he plans to visit South Korea and that the country continues to be a top contender for a gigafactory. Yoon and Musk was originally scheduled to meet in person during the B20 summit in Bali, Indonesia, but the meeting was canceled because Musk was unable to travel to Bali, so they planned to meet virtually instead. The presidential office's release statements also provided us with some information on the subject. They claimed that when Elon Musk informed him of his plans to construct a gigafactory, the two brilliant minds discussed ways to collaborate and invest in Korea for the production of electric vehicles. In response, Musk said that he believes Korea is one of the best investment prospects and plans to choose after carefully examining investment requirements like labor availability, technological advancements, and the production environment of Asian candidates. At the time, however, there were rumors that Tesla was considering building a gigafactory in Canada or Mexico. Yoon claimed that Korea has a world-class automotive industry ecosystem and investment conditions. Even Tesla announced that it would build a gigafactory in Mexico, which could put an end to rumors of other locations. However, it has been a while since the virtual meeting, and given the rapid growth of electric vehicles in the coming years, Tesla needs to upgrade and build gigafactories in other places. According to statistics, Tesla plans to grow its sales by 50% a year for the foreseeable future, with the possibility of selling 20 million vehicles by 2030. If that were to occur, Tesla would need to open gigafactories all over the world more than ever. And there would be no better place to begin than with Korea as unquestionably becoming a major player in the Asian EV market. South Korea would also be the best location for a new gigafactory because of its highly qualified workforce in the automotive, robotics, and smartphone industries, not to mention the fact that the country has become a leader in the EV industry due to accommodation of government assistance, technological advancements, and a thriving automotive industry. To promote the use of EVs, the government has also implemented several initiatives, including tax exemptions, financial help, and R&D spending. Hyundai and Kia are two of the largest producers of electric vehicles that Korea has produced, and Korean battery companies like LG Chem, Samsung SDI, and SK also collaborate with numerous automakers worldwide. These regulations have compelled companies to invest in the EV sector, which has led to the sector's expansion in South Korea. Consumer demand for EVs is also rising swiftly as a result of factors like growing air pollution concerns and a need for more environmentally friendly transportation options. When all of this is taken into account, now is likely the best time for Tesla to work with the nation. Furthermore, according to our regulatory filing, LNFCO, the top battery component manufacturer in South Korea, agreed to pay $2.91 billion to supply Tesla Inc. with high nickel cathode, a vital component of electric vehicle batteries, for 2 years from January 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2025. In case you were unaware, LNF is also among Korea's top 3 cathode makers. The deal's value was calculated using LNF's most recent cathode sales price and is subject to change based on how much lithium prices fluctuate, but $2.9 billion is a lot. Musk previously said that he considers Korea to be one of the best places to invest and that he plans to make a decision after carefully weighing investment requirements like labor technology and the production environment of Asian candidates. He also claimed that Tesla continues to use Korea's superior parts and domains related to autonomous driving and artificial intelligence, indicating that there are high stakes that Tesla could construct a new, massive gigafactory in Korea. Tesla Economics even addressed the issue on their Twitter account, stating that there may soon be a gigafactory in South Korea. Musk Elon, apart from Tesla, the president also hopes that Korea will work with SpaceX. President Yoon stated, "I hope that our cooperation with SpaceX will further expand to foster Korea's space industry." What more confirmation do we need, guys? Do you think that Tesla is planning to build a gigafactory in Korea? Let us know in the comments section below. Korean businesses like Starlink Services are eager to participate in Mr. Musk's new venture. Sources claim that Nye Research will launch its low Earth orbit service for satellite communication. We don't know how much of the claims made by KT that the Korea Telecom large satellite service provider is in talks with SpaceX about establishing a Starlink service are accurate, but core industry sources also state that SpaceX wants to work with Korean telecom provider KT. President Yoon also stated that if Tesla, SpaceX, or other companies are considering more investment in South Korea, including building a gigafactory, the government will do our best to support the investment. We're preparing a tailored approach to grant some advantages to these specified companies. He added that there is no doubt that the country is eager to fund the business. By the end of 2022, retail investors in South Korea had bought Tesla stock for $2.8 billion. One thing is certain, though, Elon Musk will have something coming up with Korea sooner or later. Additionally, the Korean Securities Depository disclosed that in 2017, local day traders bought $160 million worth of Tesla shares. President Yell stated during the meeting that he would actively support Tesla in terms of location, human resources, and taxation if it makes the investment decision. If we are to analyze and come to a conclusion, here is a list of things to think about. President Yell will stop at nothing to help Musk collaborate with Korea at this point. And it's not just with Tesla, SpaceX, and other technologies or some of the other things that he's interested in from us to collaborate with Korea. Therefore, perhaps we should wait and find out. Only time will tell at this point. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the notification bell and stay tuned for more content like this.